Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this 2026 model year M22 Bennington tritoon that just landed here at MarineMax in Greenville. Beautiful boat, guys. You'll see it's got the anthracite rigid panel with the smooth black accent on it. It's got the full blackout package, which includes the siding, the heavy-duty rub rail. Got the upgraded Bennington cleats. Again, this is a full-size tritoon with the SPS package. Let's take a look at the back. All right, guys, taking a look at the back, you'll see that this floor plan is the swing back, has the extended deck that wraps all the way back around to your engine bracket. You've got your speakers also located back here, so when you're hanging out, you can hear your music. When you're on the tube doing water sports, boom, perfect. Ski tow bar has a new and improved lily pad ladder, excellent for getting on and off the boat. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 22M. Taking a look at the front side of the boat, at the bow of the boat, you see the nice wraparound seating. You've got your forward gate right here with lighted door stops when the doors are open. You've got your nice bow table with 4 cup holders, plenty of cup holders on the insides as well, pockets with USB changing ports. You've got your drop-down armrest on this model as well. As you're walking back, you'll see a nice little cubby for supplies. Another cubby here. Your courtesy tap light, storage under your console. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that this boat's got your Vivid screen and your Garmin Echo map. You also have a wireless charger right here. You've got your soft touch controls for all your other accessories. Upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo. You have a second table right here in front of the co-captains with another cubby. This is the swing back co-captain's chair for lounging either direction that you'd like. Again, this is the swing back. Plenty of speakers throughout, standard with your 10-foot bimini top. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.